In this problem, we're going to determine a quadratic function from a given graph. We want to determine the quadratic function with this given graph as x-intercepts of -3 and 5, a y-intercept of -30, and a vertex at 1, -32. I'm going to start by considering our vertex form, y equals a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. And remember that our vertex is given by hk, so we know that h is equal to 1 and k is equal to -32. So we can plug those values into our general form, get y is equal to a times x minus 1 quantity squared minus 32. That just leaves us with determining a to complete our quadratic function. We can use one of the 3 points that are given to us on our graph. We'll use the y-intercept, x equal to 0 and y equal to -30. We plug in those values, we'll have -30 is equal to a times 0 minus 1 quantity squared minus 32. We'll have -30 is equal to a times a -1 quantity squared minus 32. -1 squared is 1, so we'll get -30 is equal to a minus 32. And to solve for a, just add 32 to both sides. That will give us a is equal to 2. So the quadratic function that represents this graph will be y equals 2 times x minus 1 quantity squared minus 32. If we want to expand that out, we'll end up with y equals 2x squared minus 4x minus 30.